Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you top 3 websites where you can earn money daily by doing simple tasks for people online and you get paid daily. But before I show you this website, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. Please, if you like my value and what I do here, please show some love by turning on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you top 3 websites right now where you can make money online just doing simple tasks for people online and get paid daily in Nigeria. Let's dive right into it now.
The number 1 website we'll be checking is called Naira Worker. You can check it on www.nairaworkers.com. It says 208,000 plus tasks completed, small gigs and big results. This is a place where freelancers are always connected to do gigs here. So just scroll down. Say Naira Worker is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing place for business owner. If you have any job you want people to help you do, like maybe like your video on YouTube or Facebook or any other thing you want them to do, you can come to this place to post your job. Then freelancer, browse job. So as a freelancer, you come to this place to look for job. All you can do here is take survey, write an honest review, test and now for somebody, follow on social media. So you can follow somebody on social media. This is how small gig works. Like this place said, visit our website and sign up. So when you do it, you get 42 Naira. For this one, it said like and retweet my pin tweet, 24 Naira. Watch YouTube video for 2 minutes and subscribe, 48 Naira. This one is 18 Naira. All you get is pay Taxify account, my referral link. So you might think this is very small, but when you add it up, you will know that there is a lot to that. It will quickly add up to a lot of money. So this is it. Freelancer, select jobs you like. Number 2, explore required tasks. Number 3, deliver work and get paid. For business owner, this is their requirement also. Okay, ask people to help you set the required tasks, rate the submitted tasks and all of that. So all you need to do is just come to this place to start. Look at the referral program. You also make money when you refer friend. Also, you can read it so that you know how to go about it by referring your friend. So let's click on start now. You can click on start now. Okay, so register your first name, last name, your username, gender, email, referral, password, confirm password. As for me, let me just sign up for you to see. Sorry, let me just log in for you to see. I log in to this place. So I sign in. So this is my dashboard. Welcome Alexi. You can see perform small tasks, click here to view available job. This is my dashboard. You can see my balance, my referral. I'm not referring anybody, my balance is still 0 Naira. So just click on this place, perform small tasks. So you can see these are the available jobs. This one is 40 Naira. So if you want to do anything, about it, just click on it. Like, follow, you get 18 Naira for this one. YouTube 14 Naira, join WhatsApp 7 Naira, all of that. Go to YouTube search, just do all these things for people on this platform and you get some money for yourself. So if you think it's small, just add everything together and before you know it, you can even make 2,000 Naira per day. So that is that to nairaworker.com. The number 2 website to check is orchid.ng. You say welcome to Orchid. Please select what you want to do for advertisers. So get people to post your advert on their social media. You can get started on this place. Get people at least 1,000 followers to post your advert and perform social engagement tasks for you on their social media account. This is for earners. So this is for you that wants to make money online. For earners, get paid for posting advert on your social media. Earn steady income by posting advert and performing social tasks for business and all of that. So this is Orchid Marketplace. This is how it is. So for me, who wants to earn, I just click on this earn. You need a membership fee of 1,000 Naira. Once you pay 1,000 Naira to Orchid, you'll be given opportunity to do work that the value are much, like maybe 200 Naira, 300 Naira, and all of that. You say earn instant referral commission of 500 Naira. So just go through it because Orchid is a very good source of making money online for freelancers. If you want to advertise, it has a place where you can advertise. You can click on it. This is the marketplace where people come to advertise their products. In fact, if you pay your 1,000 Naira self, you can always come to the marketplace to post your wares. This is how it is. This is how my dashboard is. My orders, fund wallet, place withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, transaction history, my charts, my notification, and all of that. You can see my bank details are all in Orchid. So that is how Orchid is. So it connects you with a a person that wants to do work, and you as the freelancer will come to this place to help the person and you get paid. So you need a 1,000 membership fee for Orchid in order for you to be able to earn something tangible on Orchid. So just come to this place, go to www.orchid.ng and register and start earning on Orchid. Thank you very much. We move to the next, which the next website is on Seller. We all know we sell products, digital products on Seller, but on Seller there's a space now for affiliate marketers to make money. So it says earn extra income promoting other people's products. So you earn money by promoting other people's products, okay, as an affiliate marketer. So it says explore the leading affiliate marketplace in Africa with thousands of products to choose from and start promoting right away. So all you need to do is you don't need to necessarily have the product, just help the person promote the product, because they will give you an affiliate link. So anybody that buys through your link, automatically the system will credit you depending on the percentage the person, the owner of the product is giving. So it said join the biggest affiliate network in Africa. So this is it, biggest network of digital creators and affiliates in Africa. 2,000 affiliate partners so far on Seller, then 30,000 plus products. Wow, 35,000 merchants and over 40 million naira earned by affiliates. So I see no reason why you are not going to make your own money on affiliate as an affiliate on Seller, because we have about 30,000 products where you can market and which you can market and make money. So join these 2,000 affiliate partners and make money online. How to join the Seller affiliate network? You can see it. Just click on this page, sign up. You can see sign up. Subscribe to our yearly plan to access the affiliate network. So just go through it. Okay, connect your bank account. So you can see enter your details to start receiving payment directly to your bank account every time somebody buys from your link. Whenever you promote, you start getting some things, some money into your account that you posted. Start selling with Seller. You can see it. So get started for free. So click on this thing, start selling with Seller. That is if you have a digital product, click on this place and start selling. So get started for free, start selling with Seller. So that is that. So if you want to be an affiliate, just come to this place and click on become an affiliate. So click on become an affiliate, enter your login details and all of that, and automatically you have joined them. So that is that on this. You can see the link affiliates.seller.co. That is the link to get to this website and register. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you find it valuable, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.